raising. Okay, we don't need text. So, good day. So it's my first stream. Finally, it's my first stream. The last stream, I think it was half a year ago. Wow, I need to know how to talk. Yeah. So today, again, today we're gonna. I have a plan for today. So today we're gonna learn how to model movements in Unreal Engine, basically in C++, right? So I will be going through how to make a class component in Unreal, what everything means, how to work with it. So it's very easy, and at the end we're gonna finish my exercise I didn't finish 2 days ago, and I hope we're gonna understand everything, right? So hello. I didn't introduce myself. I'm Deep Space Panda. I'm a VTuber, I guess, right now. I was a Flash tuber, now a VTuber, because it's easier. Literally, making 3D model of myself is easier than turn on the DSLR I have. So we're gonna do VTubing right now, right? My name is Deep Space Panda, or Brack. I don't mind any of this. Actually, Deep Space Panda is made specifically for English users because they don't know how to say Brack. In English, they all say Briac. So I'm Deep Space Panda, and I have NASA logo on myself, right? So, what else can I say? I have a Twitter. I have a YouTube channel. I guess all the bots will go there. Also, what? Hope somebody says how do I sound right now. I can check myself. I can check. Yep, I can hear myself. Great. I have a second laptop near me, to the left of me, so I monitor my translation. So, anyways, what else can I provide right now? So we're gonna do programming. We're gonna understand everything. We're gonna end exercise I should have done already. And we're gonna, and I hope you will know me better. Look, it's like this. No. If someone wants to pat, I can pat. So, oh no. So I can go right here and I like. Right? Okay. So, I guess we can start. I already just by opening out all my windows, I have around 33% CPU left, or 23. I think it's 20% CPU storage left. So I guess we should start by now, right? Because I want to show everything. What do I have right now? So we already have all my, not all, yes, sir. Not all, but some of my exercises. It shows like school grade movements, all the formulas, so we can go through them and understand them, right? Right? And later I will show you my cosplay that I did a couple months ago, right? So let's start. Should we start? I think we should start already. I think we don't have. Maybe sound a little rough, but I can't do much about this. So we're gonna start, right? So let's show Unreal. Wait, no. And I will go down here. Or, yeah, I'm going down here. No. I'll be right here. Can I want to mirror myself. I'll mirror myself. Look at this pro movement. Look at this. Right? Look at this. Where? Where? I want to mirror myself. I don't see, so I think I can do, right? No, it's a rescale. Okay, no, I can I do. Want to mirror myself? How to mirror myself? Okay, wait a second. Will mirror myself. I think. Can I like here? Nope. Not this. This. Alright, in filters. I'll go in filters. It's under filters. I don't know how to mirror myself. But if I go to here and I go settings window and I go layout and I go freaking normal. Yeah, I go. Why can't I mirror myself? I want to mirror myself. It's not very hard, I think. Bloom wind, no. How to mirror myself? This is interesting. I want to mirror myself because I want to show in the right where I am right now. There will be some variables, and I want to show them without getting out of my window. Where do I find this? Where do I find this? Where can I drag a morph right now? I can freak camera mode. I will find this. Okay. I thought it will be in the like. Oh no. Where am I? Where? I closed. No. Stupid. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm stupid. Sorry. I'm still learning how not to be stupid. No, it's free. Right. Yeah, I'm here. Okay, let's think. Right? It's not this. Right? No? I don't think it's this. I can go wide. How can I? Okay. I'll just go right here. Right here. Right? Bear with me. Bear with me. It's my Unreal Engine. So, let's start with the simple movement, right? Have this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy. See, I have a following component is. What is happening right now? What the fuck? Hey, what the fuck? What the fuck? I'm doing this again? No. Hope I. No! Why is this girl so scarfed? I don't want this to be scarfed. Don't be scarfed. Why are you scarfed? Why? Just, I don't know why. No, it's not that. That. Right? Or that. Can I want to do like this and then I just close everything, right? 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 But when I want to move myself, I. Okay, let's look. Is everything okay? Yeah, it's like looking at these dropouts, right? So, so sad I don't have second screen. This is our layout. It's our cube that will be moving, falling, and everything, right? So we can delete this and start with a simple movement. Simple movement. Boop. No, not here, not here. Boop. Eh. It's like, nope. I think it's even. I think it's called. It's in here, right? It's where? It's where? It's not this. It must be this, right? Can do this movement. Wait Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, you can see my visuals. No, it's okay. So now, yeah, I can move myself. I don't think it's very important right now. Boop. This movement, it's the right movement. It's not the right movement. Where's the right movement? It's like right there. Where? I can see. It's this movement. 2. It's movement 2 that I... Okay, let's fix everything quick, right? Let's fix everything quick. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, it must be this one. Okay. Is this no? This fuck. Okay. We need movement part 2, right? Dot cpp. Movement part. Where? Movement part 2 dot cpp, right? It's right. Okay, this should be clear out right now. Okay. Okay, I think it's okay. I think. I don't. Obviously, I have 15,000 errors, but it's fine. It's fine. So, yes, let's look. And is it? Can I? Where? Okay, let's compile everything. Let's look. Because I probably broke something. It's. And I must now repair this. Also, first compilation is very slow. Whoops. So I need this. It's right here. So how you been, chat? How you been? So you can see my code compiling. How you been, chat? Huh? I've been okay. I've been okay. It's a slow day today. It's a very slow day. I had a breakfast. I had a bath. Wow, that's slow. And a bath. Then I had a coffee right before the stream. Yeah. Obviously, I thought it will be smoother, but no, it's my PC is going ham right now. It's going ham. Please. It's okay. There's a compilation. Compiling is possible. It's there. It's right behind my butt. Also, why the Unreal Engine? Because I think it's better. I have a theory. How do I learn everything? So there's a easy program but it has less tools in it, and there's a hard program with a lot of tools, but you have to allocate more time to learn it, right? I learn the hard program because I want to have all the tools I need right from the start, right? That's why I started with C++ and Unreal Engine. Just because there's a lot of tools, it's great, it looks good, it's modern, and I like it. But I must say it's sometimes it's very confusing to program here. Like, for example, about a year ago, we tried to, okay, I'm just okay, I can do. About a year ago, we, with my group in university, wanted to combine my code in Unreal with Unreal's UI elements. We tried for long. It's like 2 evenings maybe with people who know Unreal better than me. We tried to make a blueprint from C++ component, our actor component. We tried everything. It just doesn't work. So I decided to make everything in code in one class. So it's obviously because I don't have UI elements. It's less, maybe this looks a little bit worse than with the UI elements. Like everyone who programs in Unity, like they all have UI elements, right? And I don't, because I am working with Unreal, and I still don't know how to combine these to merge these two elements, right? So I have to in the details panel, I just place all the variables and switches and everything. It looks cleaner, but it's still, you must change a variable, then start, then stop, then change a variable, then start. Because this code works only in player simulation. Fuck. We talk about what's wrong. Oh no, it's not. It's not a lot of stuff. In velocity, in movement. Let's look at this. Right? 10 years. Something is wrong. In it says. Doesn't have in velocity. Doesn't have in velocity. It has okay. In velocity. It wants this. Doesn't have velocity Y. What's Z? Wait. I remember. It's because I messed up when I when I was doing the different stuff. I mixed up this and the program in velocity. There's in velocity, right? In velocity. That's all I think. Y. No, I see it's in velocity xy, in velocity x, in velocity y. I think it's fine, right? Let's wait. It's a little slow. Okay, we're gonna debug it right now, and we're gonna just jump into this. I have all the enums ready right here, so it's gonna be great, I think. How much enums is here? Oh wait, it's not. It's okay. It's not. Doesn't matter really. I think it doesn't matter, right? Doesn't matter. In velocity. Okay, let's just. We'll just make it this right. Let's see, what is this code? It says timestamps. Looking at path. But do I have like... Yeah, it's simple, right? Oh. Yay! I don't think it's the right code, but... I think it's the code where the acceleration changes, right? Is this code? I don't need this. So... You just... For path... No, just... Yeah, it's acceleration change. Ah, it's okay. We can... we just can... Okay. Let's apply. I hope. Let's apply. And we apply. Want to apply. Where's the code? Oh, very interesting is in where is the code? Where is it? It must be in public, right? Okay, let's compile. Maybe because we didn't compile properly. Okay. So, while this stuff compiling, we can talk more maybe about Unreal Engine. Yeah, that's good. So, also, why am I using it? Because, to be honest, I'm not a programmer, right? I'm a modeler, I'm 3D artist, right? Oh, it's working. So, it must be here right now. Yeah, no? Yeah? Well, yeah, it's here. Yay! Okay. 0, 0, 0. Let's 5, maybe T5. Okay. Okay. Let's start. Right? Let's start. We're gonna talk about movements, and we're gonna talk about what Unreal Engine's class does. When you start, wonder, do I have like... Let's create a class. Let's get from the bottom to the top. Let's create a class to look what we are dealing with. So this cube is an actor. An actor is an object that can be placed or spawned in the world. It's just an object, we can play it, it's just a simple object. It does something, right? We're doing the actor component because we just, I think it's called cartridge. It's like we just adding stuff to our actor, so and the stuff does something like our movement. So our cartridge makes our actor move, right? So we do this. So we, I don't know, test, fuck, test component. It will be public. It's somewhere. Yeah. We got some time to create, and we'll watch what this does, right? And also I'll place myself here. Yeah, great. Yeah, we'll just wait. It looks, to be honest, at start very confusing. It's so freaking confusing to watch it at the start. But it's pretty understandable. So you'll see. Okay, you'll see. Eh, eh, eh. Okay. Project has been reloaded, right? Okay. So we created our test component. It creates for us test component.cpp and the header file. Zmin.ash. It some have includes already, but we can add stuff. So watch documentation. So doesn't matter. It creates your class, our class, here class, name of the class, your act component. You test component, our class, it's place U because it's Unreal class. Here something generated, I don't know. Here it's everything, it's on the screen basically. Here we can set default values. This called on begin play once, I guess. And this called every frame. We just will. If you want a variable, probably go. I usually go here. Just set default value. Int or float or bool. I don't care. What do you need? My variable. Right? It's okay. Yeah, I don't care. And now our test component sees everything. What we placed here. What we can, it's even easier. This here, everything that's initiating can have to be ticked every frame. I don't use it. I use this for variables that I need just calculate once. Like if I want to calculate angle in radians, I just do my angle. And do like this. I think it's right. I don't remember. But I think it's right. And I can now do this in our tick component. Tick component obviously is everything below this ticks every frame, calculates every frame, right? I think it's easy. So we can go to our movement, basic movement, and I can show more in details. Don't save. Don't save. So let's look in our have a private. Let's look what I placed in variables. I play here. You must play our variables, including our functions like get time. My function I will show it in the CPP. Our pointer to the actor, all the variables. You can like initialize variable right at the start, or you can use uProperty component to so you can oh my brain. Oh no, I don't hear anything. Where should I place myself? I don't know. I am small. I'm very big. I can do that right here. Pew. No, I can. I can do maybe my half body can move right here. Okay, it's fine. So when you placed uProperty before your variable, Unreal lets you define this variable in the details panel. It goes right here, right? You place in your component, our component, and you can like change what you want, and it will be initialized at the start of the play. Let's zero everything. Also, you can give a category to any variable. Yeah, it's cool. I think it's cool. Also, vectors, a vector, it's XYZ vector. I think you can even vector 4D, 2D, we have it's everything there. If you're interested, you just go to the documentation. It's not good, but it's okay. You can use it. I used it. Or just Google it, right? So, what is this? It's our enum. I use enum to make this thing. I have like 2 exercises to make, right? And I can switch between them using enum. So I right now at first exercise, it goes to CPP. Okay, he set first exercise where? Here. And it goes right here in the switch, right? It's like it's first. Okay, we're doing this. If I say second, go here. We don't have initial positioning. We do have initial positioning. Okay. It's sometimes enum doesn't work. I don't know why, but it wants this. Without this, enum won't work. So when we define the class, we must say it's U class. When we make enum, we must say enum enum, right? So that's how you print, make enum class. What does your enum named? It's in int 8 first, and how do it called in the details 1D. So 1 dimension, 2 dimension. And then you go into you must set default variable. How does it called? Oh, go. Boop. Your property did edit anywhere, so you can edit in details panel. And you call your variable to and your variable is initialized right now. Where's my initial position? What happens to the initial position? Need my initial position. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's here. And that's I don't like what's saying. Bruh. Okay. So we covered everything here. Yeah. Now we go to our CPP class. And let's see what I did here. So begin play. It's variable initialization, as I said already. I come. I'm tired already of speaking. It's just 15 minutes. Okay. So I just initialize here and like initial position, get owner. Our owner is our cube. I say look at the owner, go and get his location and place it in this vector. That's all. This is just for convenience. I make all this in path equals to 0. I don't know why, but Unreal wants me to. And we go to the switch. Switch works. Switch and our variable. It looks to on this variable we created. And the switches from this. Case first. It's how our called first our first enum. And it starts the loop because it's every tick. And let's remember our my next creatures. Let's remember school, right? How to calculate velocity. Current velocity equals to initial velocity plus acceleration multiplied by time. Oh, also time. Get time is I just use set times get time seconds. Time seconds in from the start and it just goes. And sometimes I use time because of timestamps, right? So velocity, initial velocity plus acceleration multiplied by time. Okay. We calculate this every frame. Boop, and we go to if. So exercise wanted me to start at the particular time, so I just said if my time seal time -1, right? Because I like it's I round up to next number, so like it's 7 like 0.3 is go to 1, so I just subtract 1. So if our what time bigger the timestamp, we start our movement. So how do I change the position of the. So our what we want is just change position, right? What? Yes, I need to see it somehow. Okay. How do we change position? Here, also by the exercise, acceleration changes. In A, so I'll start acceleration. B multiply by time. It's easy. Just acceleration changes. So what is our change? Our change on Y. So it's on Y. New position. Well, I already have this vector. New position, point Y. So only we change on Y. Our initial position, where we started, plus our initial velocity multiplied by gate time. It's just simple movement without acceleration. And if we want acceleration, we add acceleration multiplied by time squared divided by 2. It's cool math, right? And it's this all our movement basically. We don't need anything else to move our object. If you want to check, we can, you know what we can do? We don't need action. Let's just start, right? 0, just start. Let's look where is it? It's very slow. It's so slow. Somewhere. It goes to 0, 0. Actually, I don't know why. Because look here. Let's just go 0, 0. Okay. Doesn't matter. Let's no 20. Acceleration 20. It doesn't change because plus B multiplied by time. It doesn't anything change. Nothing changes. So it goes faster and faster. Yeah. Because we're changing our new position, we calculate next position, we just move it. Let me show you, because you see new position, but I didn't show you where we apply it. We apply it after everything. We just said it's like get actor location. It's the same, but setting actor location. We just get on set actor location, new position. That's all. We don't need anything else. We're just setting new actor location. Okay. Sorry, I need to. Let us. Boop. I'm gonna just place BRB. Where is my BRB? Boop. No. Okay. Please wait for me. Right? I'm gonna continue. Are you ready? Are you ready? Where do I store myself? I can store it like this. Small. Okay. Let's continue, right? Let's continue. Wait a second, I need to get rid of my hair. Okay. Real. Real. Okay, I told you where do we apply our translation, right? So it's same thing to apply in two directions. We just not also change the Y position, also change X position. That's it. That's literally it. It's so easy. Let's just look what we have. Right? 2D. C will be, I don't know, 50. Different. We can obviously place different. Look, and it goes like here. And it goes faster and faster because of acceleration. Also, if we can get rid, if we place 0, it just be 1, I think. Right? Yeah, it's just 1. Because we don't have any initial velocity, and when we place 0 in acceleration, it just everything goes to 0, it doesn't move. That's all for, I think it's all for simple movements, right? We're gonna talk about same thing in the following. Our falling and then simulation is just falling movement when the object falls, right? So let's talk about screws and movement on the circle. So we can get rid of that. We have, I can just use screw movement for, screw movement component. I just, no velocity, right? But we can just start looking at the screw movement. Not the screw, just radial movement. It's more interesting, but it's same things. We just need to move XY in the we need to move XY to so our object seem like it's moving on the circle. I won't bore you with the trigonometry because I don't know it very well. And let's look. I want to start. I have some voids to print messages. Just to be sure. I don't think I use it, even there's some pointers to hack this world, some vectors. Frequencies, edit anywhere frequency, so I can edit frequency in the details. Also radius, and it's just a variable. Segments is, I show you, it's for our circle here. It's right. Look at this house. What is this? Oh yeah. Just for circles, basically. So. Let's look at our exercise. Radial movement. Initial position, you already saw this. New position, blah blah blah, not interesting. Frequency, I don't look at this. It's our secret. I just invert the frequency so it because if I don't invert the frequency, it will be go the other way. I don't know why. Here we calculate angle velocity because exercise set in linear velocity and t also exercise. I don't know why it's here, but okay. So it's our circle. We draw it once. Just heads up, don't draw debug circles if they don't move. Okay? Because it will draw debug stuff every frame. So every frame you have draw call, nothing. So I think it will erase it and then draw again. It's not doing this. So we just draw the box circle. In our initial position, it's first radius and how much segments, color, this stuff, and where it points. Just play with it. And this, I think it's thickness and stuff, and if how much stays on the screen. Don't think too much about this. Just look at the Google documentation, right? So I need to. Yeah, this is just for the. No, let's. So we won't. I won't be so confused. Just wait a moment. Okay. Wow. Why it's at 0, 0? I don't know. Like, stop. Boop. It's not at 0, 0. It's 9. Yeah. Okay. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. But if you want, let's just call here effect. Yeah, you can do this. 0, 0, 0. Compile. That's it. And we maybe drop a little bit of plane. I hope somebody will understand this stuff. I think I'm doing good. I hope I'm doing good. It's not hard. You just change frequency and radius. Frequency is, I think, how many rotations do object makes in a second. I think it's right. Yeah. Look at me, my head moves. Oh, my head doesn't really move. Yeah, my camera died a long time ago. Maybe I can calibrate right now. Oh, failed. Why? Wow. You see, in the movement, why does it tries to compile some fucking movement? Why? Just why? Why? Oh wait, it's not. Let's see. Test compile. Wait a second. I don't need this. I don't need to delete this shit. I don't know. I can delete this. Why I can delete this? I don't know. Just don't. Why I can't delete this stuff? I never understood. Why I just can't delete this fucking. Okay. 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 Doesn't matter, I guess. Wait. Wait a moment. I don't know why it's not here. It's always at 0, 0. Why? So you know what we can do? Why do I need this stuff? Oh no. Will it? Oh no. Look at no, look at this. I hope. Look at this. My PC is going ham right now. Is it no? No? Can delete. Can delete. Okay, let's just open this. Fuck. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? It's nothing here. It's literally freaking nothing. Now. Fuck. It's always like some stupid stuff I don't want to compile. Yeah, compiled. Wow. Where's my what? Where's my cube? Where's my cube? Where's my cube? What? Where? It seems like no, nah. It's like nah, nah. I won't show you what's inside. Nah. Sometimes I just what? Sphere. I don't care. No. No, not this component. No. I wonder where is your movement? Wait. It doesn't move. It doesn't. Oh. Whoa. It's not movable because it's static. It doesn't move because it's static. Movable. Yay! It looks bad and I don't know why. Okay. Initial position. Compile. Why it's 0, 0? Very interesting. Yes. Why this? Like, what's we start? Yeah, we start slang. It's for the. That's why it's. Okay. It's not 0, 0. Why? So not the first time it goes to 0, 0, and I don't know why. Because it starts with where? No. Okay, let's initial. I know why I didn't saw this, because when I program this, I look from top down, and I didn't notice, and now I just simulate this. That's why. That's why. And let's debug this stuff so everybody would understand. Yeah, that's all. Like, that's all, right? Interesting, very interesting stuff, I must say. So how does it work? Like this. That's it. It's the angle, just angle velocity times the delta, delta. Oh no, it's not. Sorry, it's plus angle velocity. and angle velocity will calculate right here. And we change the position based on smart people's calculation, trigonometry, and that stuff. And that's it. It's same new position. We create new position, and that's it. Just for the exercise for n, how much rotations it went through, and just logs, and the set get time where I use it everywhere. So okay, let's go to the second to last screw movement. I think you know what the screw movement is, so let's just go into it. I can change velocity slash and change it for other enum. Boop. Boop. So we have same XY circle movements, and we just go up in the Z direction. That's all. That's all. And if we want to add, we can inverse the velocity when it hits the roof. Like, I'll show you right now. Screw movement. Component. Also, if you're interested, you can just go here, screw movement component, and it will. Where's the second one? Where's the CPP? Yeah. As you can see, it's the same stuff, but now we are Where's that? Where is that? Here, we just move that. We just that. We just add velocity times delta time. That's it. When it's hit the roof, our roof, we inverse the velocity. It bounces back. It's not really bounces back, but you get the point, right? And it's the same stuff as the first exercise. If we want to make it accelerate, I just use this formula again. In velocity, initial velocity times time. Wait a second. Boop. Now it's right. Sorry. I didn't notice. And it goes with acceleration. Like second, I don't know, acceleration 20. Also, I didn't. Rule doesn't work with acceleration because I don't know why. But wheel. We can see our velocity here, in red. It goes up. Very interesting, I think. And also, obviously, we can change the frequency, change the radius, and everything changes, right? Stop. And it goes from initial things. It's cool. I think it's cool. It's easy and cool. Okay. Here goes my last exercise I did. I'm a little tired. I talk a lot. I'm not used to talk so much. And it's only movement. That's fine. So, how does object falls with initial velocity? When object started to fall, it has initial velocity with what he started with and angle, right? Just angle, simple angle here. I think I can make an arrows, but I don't want to make it so much because I have more exercise to make. Right? It has angle and it has initial velocity. But also, what other forces does object bear? I don't know what it is. What are the forces? We have a gravitational pull of our planet. I don't have planet here, I have only plane, but just imagine it's a planet. Surface plane, right? So, planet pulls it down in some acceleration. It's 9.8 blah 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 meters per second. Meters squared per second. So we have vector pointing down and we have initial velocity with angle point somewhere. We don't need really to combine it, so I don't know, H 1000. And it's a multiplier for gravitational force. We have angle right here, 50. No. It's fun. Right? So it starts to fall, where the velocity of the down force is increasing because of acceleration, and velocity on the x stays the same. So let me show you the formulas I did recently. Where? Following. Here, as always, enums, blah blah blah, you know everything by now. You can make in constant, you can make constant, but I don't like constant use of constants. We can initialize variables right in the header file. So we just use our first exercise formulas, where the z position changes depending on the other forces, right? So we have initial position as always plus h. I don't know because it's 0. We have our initial velocity times sinus angle. Why do we use sinus? Because we want to use projection on the z-axis. Projection on the z-axis contradicts our rotational force pull So it's right now gravitational force by its initial velocity, because it's someone wants me no, because it has minus, it points down, and initial velocity points up, right? And on the x it doesn't change, and we take projection of the initial velocity on the x-axis. And that's it. And that's how it's false, because of different formulas we use. So second, object is hit. Is hit. It's very Russian. Same, but I think. Let's go to third. Same stuff, but we have. It's actually. We object has an acceleration vector. It's same as velocity, just acceleration vector. So we can project the same. We can calculate this using projections, and we can use as usual. And that's all. It's a full like project vectors. And that's all. It's how the object falls. It's easy. Also, my teacher said that when it hits, only acceleration on the z axis will be 0, so it just move. it's pretty fun. I think it's pretty fun. Oh no, go back. So sometimes scared to break everything. So maybe if 20, I don't care. So it will move faster. I think. I think it's 100. Or not. I don't know. Shoot. Yeah, doesn't matter. And I think it's everything. If you're really interested, you can go Google it and look at these formulas, how the projection works. I can show you right now because I don't know everything by memory. I need to example. Right? But I think it's cool, it's interesting. Next exercise is objects hitting each other. So it would be even more interesting for me. But I think they want you to use just rigid body components, like I can simulate physics. Play. No? Yes. Really interesting. Maybe writing. It's movable. It's okay. No radial, blah blah blah. My scale, blah blah blah. Not interesting. Interesting. It's interesting. Center of mass offset. Wow. 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 It has collision. Need overlap events. I thought it will say if I just go. So it doesn't want. I don't know why. I just. At first I thought almost like program, rigid body, like impulses and stuff. But no. Just no. Easy. Easy stuff. Right? Okay. So I think it's everything I wanted to show you for today. I think. Yes. No. I want to be big. Can I be big? I think it's everything. I think. I don't know. I don't know. What else can I say? Do you like my cosplay? I like my cosplay. It's like, do you like my hairpins? Hmm? I think they're cool. They're cool. It's red, right? I like my NASA. It's also this green toxic color. Also, I like this one. So we're gonna end for today. This was a cool stream, I think. It was scarfed, which is fine. It was fun, right? It was fun. Until, guess maybe, no, not tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe a few days. Maybe we'll model something. I'm gonna put chat. Nobody there, but I still want to put chat, right? Good. So until next time, I think it was fine. Goodbye. 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 I got dizzy.